Question 31 wants us to kind of mess around with some triangle diagrams to talk about whether or not two figures must be congruent or whether they may not be congruent. So in this one, we're given that there are two sides and an angle that matches. So three pieces of information matches three pieces of information. Typically, we can be pretty confident that that means that we have only one possible triangle we can make. So, however, this is actually one situation that breaks that rule. So if we have side-side angle, a side, and then an angle, then we actually end up with two possible triangles we can make. Because if this bottom side has not been decided on yet, if we haven't decided how long this is going to be, then it could be like this distance and they meet up here, right? We're allowed to change this angle. Or it could be a little bit longer and we just swing this one out and they match up out here. Okay, so there is no side-side angle congruence. That is not one of them on the list because this is a situation where there's two possible triangles that you could make, even if these three parts match these three parts. That does not necessarily mean that the triangles overall are going to match. However, down here where we have angle, side, angle kind of fixes these in place. So these arms are not going to swing out. They're just going to grow shorter or longer. And since they can't rotate, they can only just grow out to the point where they meet each other. There's only really one triangle you can make with this. So angle, side, angle is a congruency theorem. We can say if you have an angle, side, angle that matches another angle, side, angle, then those two triangles must be congruent.